Welcome back to Motor Mindset 1, where we take you on a journey through automotive history. Today, we're talking about the car that changed everything, the Ford Model T. This isn't just any car, it's the car that put the world on wheels. The year is 1908. Henry Ford had a vision to create a car that was affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain. Back then, automobiles were a luxury, reserved for the wealthy. But Ford wanted something different. He wanted a car for the common people, a machine that could transform daily life. And that's exactly what he built. Let's talk about what made the Model T so special. First, it was built with simplicity in mind. A rugged steel chassis, a lightweight body, and an engine that was both durable and easy to fix. The 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine produced 20 horsepower, giving it a top speed of around 45 miles per hour. That might not sound like much today, but back then, it was a game-changer. One of the biggest innovations, the Model T's mass production. Ford introduced the moving assembly line in 1913, making production faster and cheaper. This was revolutionary. The time to build one Model T dropped from 12 hours to just 90 minutes, and that meant prices fell too. In 1908, it cost about $850, but by the 1920s, that price had dropped to $400, making it truly affordable for everyday people. Driving the Model T was an experience in itself. Unlike modern cars, it didn't have a conventional gas pedal. Instead, you controlled speed with hand levers and foot pedals. It was simple, but it required skill. The car could run on gasoline, kerosene, or even ethanol, making it versatile for different fuel sources of the time. The impact of the Model T was massive. It changed how people lived, worked, and traveled. Farmers could get to town faster, businesses could expand, families could explore beyond their local communities, roads improved, cities grew, and car culture was born, all thanks to this one vehicle. Between 1908 and 1927, Ford sold over 15 million Model Ts, making it the best-selling car of its time. Even today, it remains one of the most influential vehicles in history. Without the Model T, the car industry as we know it wouldn't exist. The question is, if you had the chance to drive a Model T today, would you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive history, only here on Motor Mindset 1. See you in the next one.